What have we got here? We've got this big global fowl. Looks so wonderful. Let's go closer to see how far he's doing. Hello, buddy. How you doing? He says hi. And if you wonder what the name is, I call him King. I hope that's okay. So that little bit quite with me if you want to know that. Definitely want to pass me. And you don't want to miss the fact that this one's look at this. Oh, look at the child. Let's see what this one has. Yeah, look at the face of this one. Look at the face. Look at the eyes. Oh my God, he's eating the camera. Oh my God. Sarah. Sarah. You better shut up. This one. Oh my God. What have we got here? What have we got here? Yeah, look at the face. Look at the whole eyes. Ask them.